I made it to New York. I'm at a local park right now, and this is probably my like seventh or eighth time in the city. I'm so excited for this trip. It is my friend's just like reunion and also my brother's 30th birthday. So we are just like all here for a great time, and it's gonna be so fun. This matcha is already so good. My friend told me that I should honestly just get matcha when I'm in New York because coffee in Seattle is obviously top tier. So that is the mission on this trip, is to find the best matcha in New York. And currently this one is really, really good. Yeah, I am headed now to downtown. We're gonna go closer to Washington Square Park, which is where NYU campus is. And I'm gonna just walk around, enjoy the weather, and then I'm meeting my friends for some lunch. I have a lot of friends who actually moved over to New York after we graduated school. And so I'm super excited just to see everybody and enjoy this gorgeous sun. I'm at Washington Square Park, and it is genuinely such a gorgeous day. Like, the cherry blossoms are out, and I feel like one of my favorite parts of being in New York is people watching, because there's so many different, honestly, types of people. Like, it's just so diverse, and I feel like there's never a dull moment. And so this is always one of my favorite spots to go. But yeah, I am honestly really enjoying some quiet time, or like alone time, before the week starts and all the festivities are happening. But look how beautiful it is. It's gorgeous. Wow. We are currently about to hop into a live Phantom of the Opera masquerade. It's like an interactive version of Phantom of the Opera, so we're kind of like hiding out in Nordstrom right now, but I'm so excited. I don't think we can film, so I might not be able to get content, but we're all dressed up and it's so exciting. The masquerade, and that was one of the best experiences that I've ever had. I haven't even watched the Phantom of the Opera, and that was amazing. So, can I please do an everything bagel with tofu scallion? And do you have lox? I'll do that. Yeah. Thank you. Hello, everybody. It is Thursday today. We just got our bagels, and we're gonna go to Central Park today. We're going to a Yankees game, and we are going to Soho and West Village.
Yeah,
NoHo. We're just going all around today. My brother landed, so we're gonna meet up with him too. But another full day. Yesterday's masquerade was life-changing. Like, genuinely, even if you don't know Phantom of the Opera, I highly recommend going if you're ever in New York, because it was immersive. And it was like the whole production, but you're like in it and guided through it. It was like amazing. So, highly recommend. And yeah, time for a good day. Yum. in Central Park. And we had our bagels and we're walking around. We made it to the Yankees game. We made it to Soho. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Wow. It's a Met Day. We're starting it out on the Upper East Side and it's so beautiful today. A very big. We made it to Williamsburg and it's gorgeous today. Put my coat on.
Up here, so you get that pickles and cauliflower. Cumin.
Look at this. Happy birthday, Hudson!
T-minus like 30-40 minutes into Artemis 2 land successfully. Oh my god.
All right, this is where the night starts. Where's the tacos? Happy birthday to you. Hello, y'all. It has been a very full day. I basically started the day immediately jumping into all of my brother's birthday plans because his birthday celebrations start this weekend. We went on a beautiful boat and it was a gorgeous sunny day on the Hudson River, so we got to see all of the Manhattan and Brooklyn skyline. And then after the boat, we just hung out for a little bit, had some cake, had some food, and rested for a little bit. And I just woke up from a nap. I got ready and we're gonna head out to go get some drinks, go to a really, really good K barbecue spot for dinner, and then we're gonna go to a Korean bar afterwards and end the night there. So it's been a long few days, but I'm having such a good time. I'm just trying to keep my energy up, so the naps are very necessary. But yeah, this is my top for tonight, and I'm excited to go out.
Welcome to Nubiani.
So good. Thank you.
We are in K-Town. He is celebrating a big 3-0. 3-0, how do you feel?
Very old.
Old, a new decade. Good morning, y'all. Happy Sunday. It is actually my last day here, and I'm leaving at about 6:30 p.m. So right now we're going to get bagels, and then we are just going to walk around like Lower East Side, enjoy this gorgeous weather. I think that's just the plan for the rest of the day, is just to take it chill, and then we're headed back home. Gonna go eat our bagels in this beautiful park on a gorgeous Sunday. Look at that. Wow. Oh my gosh. Wow. Uh-huh.